the skin on your hands need moisturizing and your lotion ran out? Don't rush to the store for a new tube. Just watch our life hack. Cut the tube in half. There is still plenty of your favorite cream on the walls. After use, connect the parts of the tube. The cream could be enough for at least a couple of days. Is it inconvenient to wash your hands with just remnants of the soap? Don't rush to throw them away. Let's share another economical idea. Grind the remnants into chips. Pour them into silicone baking molds. Microwave them for a few minutes. Mix the soap slush. Put it in the refrigerator until it freezes. What a beautiful soap it has become! It's almost artisanal work. Summer, sea, and heat are our best friends. If you, of course, have waterproof mascara. For this life hack, you need your favorite mascara and hairspray. Put a small amount of spray on the brush. Pass the brush on already made up eyelashes. Done! The product forms a water-repellent layer on the eyelashes, and the makeup remains in place under any circumstances. Now, even a sea of tears will not leave dark marks on your face. Oh, Jack, you could have been saved! Instead of a huge tube of cream on the beach, you can take sunblock in a comfortable stick. Grind a small amount of beeswax. Melt the wax in a water bath. Squeeze a little cream into the melted wax. Mix thoroughly. Pour the mixture into a pre-washed glue stick. Cream wax for safe tanning is ready. It is conveniently twisted from the stick and does not take up much space in your beach bag. And aloe ice cubes will help to protect your skin after a sunburn. Fill ice molds with aloe gel. You can add some water. Put the mold in the freezer. Apply a cube of healing ice to the burned area. The healing properties of aloe quickly relieve inflammation and soothe the skin. If I take all my makeup with me, then there will simply be no room left in the bag. The plastic pills container for 6 departments will help to solve the problem. Squeeze out your foundation in the first cell. Fill the second with a lighter one. Melt different shades of lipsticks with fire. Put them in the second line of compartments. Don't forget the eyeshadows. Shred compact shadows and pour them into the container. They can be consolidated with ethyl alcohol. Sprinkle alcohol on the shadows from the spray gun. In the same way, fill the compartment with blush. You get a compact but functional palette of cosmetics. Let's repeat the idea of the most beautiful highlighter in the world and make a rose in Lancome style. You will need a compact highlighter, alcohol, an artificial rose, and an empty glass jar. Grind the highlighter into powder. Decorate the jar with beads. Put a rose in it. Spray with alcohol and sprinkle the highlighter. Repeat the same action several times. Just admire how beautiful the result is. An easy touch of the brush will leave incredible sunlight on your skin. Was the black eyeliner not of the best quality? We also have a life hack for this occasion. Clear the pencil rod from the wooden shell. Fold the pieces of the rod into a small plastic container and add a few drops of castor oil. With a wooden stick, grind the pieces of the rod and mix the black pigment with the oil. The most convenient of applying eyeliner is with a beveled makeup brush. It is easily applied and shaded. Create your own unique look with a new super eyeliner. And now I'll tell you how to turn a lip gloss into a beautiful pendant in the shape of a panda. Squeeze a layer of the hot glue on the cream-coated foil. Let the glue dry and carefully remove the figure from the foil. Cut 2 miniature crescents. Glue the crescents to the lip gloss container. Attach a metal hook. Color the cap in white. The ears are painted in black. Point out the muzzle of the panda and color the eyes and nose. Catch the pendant on a string. It looks very original, and your favorite gloss is always at hand. The eyebrows that have been disturbed during the sleep can be corrected with the help of a regular piece of soap. Rub your eyebrow brush on the soap. Comb the brows and put them in the right direction. It's an excellent alternative to some expensive purchasable product. And in the next life hack, we will share the secret of contouring your nose with the help of glasses. Put some corrector on the brush and apply it to the plastic paws on the bridge of the glasses. Put the glasses on as usual and then smoothly draw from the bridge to the tip of the nose. Slightly shade the ideal shape of the nose in 5 seconds. Who said that lipstick should be monophonic? Now let's destroy this dense stereotype. You will need a tube of lipstick and a straw for drinks. Twist the lipstick. Place the edge of the straw onto the center and force the lipstick to the very end. The hole turned out just perfect. Put a little colorless lip balm into the silicone mold. Add some color pigment and microwave it for a minute. Gently pour the melted blue mass into the middle of the lipstick. Let it freeze and level the edge. This lipstick does not only look unusual, but it also perfectly moisturizes the lips. By adding different pigments, you can easily experiment with shades of lipstick. Did your favorite mascara dry out? Don't worry, we know how to fix it. You need 2 ingredients: activated charcoal and castor oil. Grind the tablets into powder. Pour into a silicone mold and add a little oil. Stir. Remove the protective elastic from the mascara. Carefully pour in your mixture. Put the protection back. Test the mascara on your hand. The color is deep and very saturated. Try it on your eyelashes. The ink perfectly stains and gives the eyelashes a dizzying volume. Gelatin and warm milk will help rid your face of gross blackheads. Add a teaspoon of dry gelatin to a spoon of milk. For extra visibility, add some red food coloring. Microwave the mixture for 2.5 minutes. Use a brush to apply the mask on your nose. Wait until it dries completely. Remove the gelatinous film from your skin. The gelatin mask works the same way as pore cleaning strips you can buy in stores. The exact same effect, but the cost is spot on, or more precisely, on your nose. It's hard to open a container of glitter and not cover everything around you with it. But there is a solution. You need an empty 2-shadow palette and some glitter. Also prepare alcohol, glycerin, and aloe gel. Distribute glitter into the compartments. Drip alcohol onto the glitter. Stir. Add a few drops of glycerin. And the final touch, put some aloe gel on the brush and mix it into a shiny mass. In the pressed state, this glitter is very easy to use. You will definitely become the star of any party with this brilliant makeup. Here's a life hack on how to do your makeup with ordinary colored pencils. You need a glass of hot water and pencils of the right colors. Put the pencils in warm water for a few minutes. After their bath, the pencils become brighter and extra pigmented, just like eyeliners and lip liners. Some spectacular makeup is waiting for you! Does your hair get tangled all the time and brushing it feels more like torture? We have a life hack to help you out in that situation. You will need an empty spray bottle and some hair conditioner. Squeeze a small amount of the conditioner into the bottle. Pour in some water. Shake until it is completely mixed. Spray it on your tangled hair. Now you can comb it with ease. The hair looks very smooth and shiny. Next, you will need a little zipper and a piece of a shiny foam rubber sheet. Fold the foam rubber sheet in half and join it on the sides with hot glue. Glue the zipper to the edges. Take sparkly foam rubber sheet lips and hot glue them on as well. Such a stylish makeup bag will carry all your favorite beauty products. Quick and practical. For this idea, you need some nail polish remover, a jar, and a foam sponge. Shorten the sponge to the desired size. Put it in a jar. Pour nail polish remover on the sponge. To wash off the nail polish, you just need to put your finger in the jar and rub it on the foam sponge. 1 minute and your nails are absolutely clean. Very convenient. Regular lipstick is so boring. However, we have an idea on how to transform it. Apply a strip of hot glue to the base of the tube. Coat the glass with lotion and make 2 hooks look like this with hot glue. Fasten them to the lipstick cap. Take yellow and green nail polishes and decorate the tube. Draw a cactus with a funny face. It turned out to look like a very funny succulent lipstick. This is definitely a one-of-a-kind product. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell. And we are already shooting another video with more and new useful life hacks for you and your friends.